This purple one. I just felt like I had to get it. My name's Wayne and welcome to my channel. We discuss everything related to tech, travel and lifestyle, especially here in Melbourne. Today we have not just one but two PS5 controllers for unboxing and initial impressions review. I'll also walk you through how to quickly set it up. It's really simple. Along with that, I also have a copy of the new Ghostwire Tokyo, which recently came out. We'll have a quick look at what's in the box here, and I'll create another video and link it here. So with that, let's get started. So I was under the strong impression that I could just get by with one of these, especially because you can use your PS4 controllers on the PS5. But then I soon realized that with some of these games, it may not be true. And while that may be the case, you can use your PS4 controllers. You can only do so if it's a PS4 game that's running on your PS5. If you try to play a PS5 game that's local multiplayer, it may not work. Another reason why I went with the new colored ones is there's supposedly some improvements to the physical buttons themselves. The shoulder buttons, they supposedly have an improved spring, and even the analog sticks, I believe, they have been fixed so that you get less stick drift. There's the actual controller. Look how beautiful it is. So it comes in these other colors as well. And your instruction manual as well. So this is the Cosmic Red and this is the Galactic Purple. This one I feel like it looks like more like a, this one I feel is more like a magenta or some kind of maroon rather than bright red, and that's the original white one. Looks wise, apart from the color, it's pretty much the same. As I mentioned before, this one should have improved physical buttons. The buttons themselves will feel almost the same. Supposedly the springs are a bit tougher here and should wear down less throughout as time goes on. Setting one of these up is super simple. All you have to do is plug in the USB cable into your PS5 console and you'll see it starts glowing already. Then just press on the PS5 button. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to update your controller software. You can either postpone this update or you can update it now. It's not a very long update. As you can see, it's already happening pretty quickly. Once the update is done, you can just use it as per normal. In case you do plan to game on your new controller, you might want to just leave it charging, since the one which you received may not be fully charged. Lastly, we have this supposed beast. I've heard some good reviews about it. Oh, there's a bit of plastic still left. Come on. It's a game. So that's pretty much it. Feel free to check out some of these linked videos in case you're interested in the gameplay.